What is up, everybody? How's it going? So today I got a mail call from Rob and Sarah over at Belts and Boxes. So please stick around, check out the video, and I'll see you guys there. Thank you for watching. What is up, everybody? How's it going? And welcome back to the channel. So today, like I said in the intro, I got a mail call from Rob and Sarah over at Belts and Boxes. This has been sitting, waiting to be done, this video, for a while. Rob did a video, stated, I believe it was at the end of the video, if you would like a sticker, go ahead and email. I emailed on November 8th. He replied on November 8th. And on November 10th, I replied back, "Hey Rob, wanted to let you know I got the envelope on the 9th. So, this has been sitting around. It's actually been sitting on the top of the red toolbox for a while. Well over a month. And I replied on December 10th that I got it on the 9th. It took a little bit, not a big deal, but I did get it about 3 or 4 weeks after the email. But I figured, I might as well get this done, and it was one of those things that I had a lot going on. I ended up getting a bunch of parts for a couple different rigs. I had some customer vehicles to work on, and I was doing videos on other things that I purchased, like this Makita set and this Milwaukee set right here. And the top of my box is kind of messed up. I need to clean it again. I got parts in this box right here. I need to clean in here, get the parts and everything cleaned up. It is kind of a little dirty in here. I did a fuel pump and fuel sending unit on a 2005 Chrysler 300C with a 5.7 liter Hemi, as well as a driver's side door lock actuator. That job ended up, there was a lot of issues with that tank overflowing. So I had to remove like 7 gallons of gas or more. I think it was about 8 or 9 gallons total that I had to remove. I got some of the gas here for the customer. Customer said he'll be back in a couple days to pick up what's left of his gas. So I had a lot going on. I did pick up some other tools. This is an ONYX brand tool. But let's get into it. So, Rob and Sarah over there are really nice. I am an affiliate of Ohio Power Tools, and Belts and Boxes used to be Cop Tool. So let's get it open. It does say Belts and Boxes. It's just my address. I covered up theirs. Come on. Go. Envelope is empty. Here's a couple stickers. A couple Belts and Boxes stickers. Awesome. We're gonna put one probably on this orange cart, and I'll put one on the red toolbox. This is very thick paper too. It says, Antonio, thanks for watching the show. Do something kind for someone else this weekend. See you next week at Rob and Sarah. That's awesome. I do appreciate both of you, Rob and Sarah, so much for sending out a couple stickers. It's not a lot, and it doesn't have to be a lot. And I agree with the ending of his statement. Do something kind for somebody else. That's always something that is great to do. You know, if you come across somebody that's struggling, you know, help them out. If you can, you know, buy them some food, or you know, if they break down, stop. You know, you never know. If somebody breaks down, you never know if they even have what they need to fix it. You may never even know if they even have water. Especially in the state I live in, Arizona. I come across that a lot. I'll get a service call. A gentleman's broke down on the side of the road. I'm there to repair his vehicle, and it doesn't have anything to drink. No water, nothing. And I normally always bring water, extra gas, and a few other things when I do service calls, just in case. You know, you never know if somebody had water when they broke down. So, yeah, do something nice or kind for somebody. It always comes back in the end. It's always great. But I do appreciate getting a couple stickers from them. That way I can put one sticker on the main box, one sticker on the orange electrical cart. When I do videos, you guys will see the stickers in the background. I put stickers on the boxes for that particular reason. So when I do videos, you guys get to see all the channels that I've gotten stickers from, and you guys can go check out their channels. That's why I use the box as a template for the channel, because it's always nice to promote other people. You know, I'm doing, for the amount of subscribers I have, I'm doing pretty decent. And Rob and Sarah both have stopped by the channel and commented on a few videos. So it's always nice to support good people. I do appreciate that they dropped off or sent out some stickers. I would have really loved to have gotten one of the older Cop Tool stickers. That would have been pretty neat to put on the box. I don't even think they make the Cop Tool stickers anymore. But I do appreciate it so much, Rob. I will put a card up here in the video, either here right now or at the very beginning of the video, with their channel, as well as they have a couple other channels too. I don't know if their other channels have stickers, or their other channel has stickers or not, but I'll put a video up here, a belts and boxes video, and then I will put a video up here also for their other channel if you guys want to go check out their other channel. At the moment, I don't remember. Let me look real quick what the other channel is. They also promote a lot of channels on their channel. Concord Carpenter, Oz Tool Talk, Philly Fixed, Mark Thomas Builder, Torque Test Channel, Man Caver Tools, Tools and Stuff, Workshop Addict. Power Tool Week in Review. I'll eventually find it. I will link their other channel up here. I can't find it at the moment. But I do appreciate everybody stopping by as always. Please like, comment, subscribe, smush the bell notification icon for future updates. Go check out my Amazon affiliate links, my Acme Tools affiliate links, my DJI Electronics affiliate links, as well as my Ohio Power Tools affiliate links. And I will see you guys on the next video. You guys have an awesome, awesome rest of your day. After the video's over, I'm going to go over and figure out where I'm going to put these on the boxes. But I will see you guys next time. Thank you guys so much for stopping by. Peace!